How do I get it? He wants the bell.
Stay there, Gabe. He always does that. He takes the blue ball and tries to run away with it. Stitch! Do you see that dog? Do you see that dog? Oh, he sees the dog. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm getting that.